We are adventurers. We are artists. We are makers. We're always working on our craft. We are thinkers. We are problem solvers. We are doers. We are always discovering a better way. We are curious. We are driven. We are family. We are the sum of our passions.
Our company is our culture.
And our mission is to make
The world go.
We are Raymond.
We are Raymond.
We are Raymond Technicians.
And we're always on.
Don't just get a job. Launch a career that's an extension of who you are. We are Raymond, and we're always on.